This is the day 16 of our Excel work hour. So in this class, what we've been doing is we've been trying to learn one Excel function or one Excel formula and apply it to what a particular task that we might be encountering in our work, in our day-to-day life, or anything as an Excel user. Now, so today we are going to be talking about another function. What is the name of the function? Sum product. Sum product. What do you use sum product for? Okay, once again, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Kowiyy. I'm a data analyst. I'm also a data analysis instructor. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, what do you mean by sum product? Okay, now let me just explain the scenario. Now imagine you as a storekeeper or as a shop attendant or as a secretary of an organization, right? Now, so your company has actually spent some amount of money on some products. Now, what you want to do is that you want to check the exact amount they've spent. You want to check the total amount your company has spent. What do I mean? I mean you want to do this. You want to do the equals to this times this, right? Put it in a bracket like this, comma, and then you plus followed by the next one, this times this, you plus again. So like that. That's what you want to do. Okay, so what do you have any short step you can do instead of doing all this one? Yes, there is. That is where some product comes in. Exactly. Now, before we dive in, the first thing we are going to do is because we are going to be need an array. So let us name what our range of cell. So just Ctrl Shift down. Then we name this what our quantity. Yes. Then Ctrl Shift down. Then we name this our price. Okay. Now, so let's go. Now to get data price, you just say equals to sum products. Exactly. Then the first arrow you now got, you can just say price, comma. And what second arrow you can just say quantity. So just close the brackets. Then bam, enter. You can see we've gotten what the answer what we want. So that means the money what company has spent on all these things in total is 154,370 point nine 317.90 dollar. Exactly. Now, is there any way we can verify if this thing is actually correct? Yes, there is a way. How? Let me quickly show you. So if let's say equals to, you are going to use it with product. Yes, product. Then you say this times this. Close the brackets. Then you say enter. Now, what you are going to do is this. You can see it. You've gotten everything. So you can then say equals to sum this from this downward. Close the bracket and enter. Now, do we get the same thing? Yes! You can see we got the same thing. So you can see some product is what is a way faster than this. Rather than you saying you want to do the sum for the product was then followed by the sum. So just use the sum product is going to what assist to. And the way some product works is this is that some product is going to use in form of okay, equals to what he is going to do is the first thing I was doing this times no, this times this. It will close the bracket, then close it again, then open the bracket like that, like that for the next what for everything. So that is how some product works. So I hope you've learned something new today. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share the videos. And again, so we're going to be having another assignment today. Yes, we're going to be having another assignment today. Now, what is the two assignment? This is a second assignment. Now, you are going to find a particular file. Yes, a particular file in a folder. Exactly. In that particular file, you have a transaction ID. So all I just want you to get from is what is the year and what product number. So you are going to be using what I'm not going to tell you the function you have to use. Just make sure you get that for me. And once you are done, you can just send me a message in my WhatsApp via the WhatsApp number that's under this post. Exactly. In case you are viewing this video from either my TikTok page or you are viewing it from my LinkedIn page. So just click on the YouTube channel link, go there, you're going to see the folder there. So then you can download the file from there, you do it and send it to me. Is that clear? Do have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. So meet in class tomorrow. Bye.